heavy. What's it called? So Hurricane Irene came and went, and it was a lot of rain, a lot of wind, and the cable went out, my internet went out, my phone went out. Very interesting. I had nothing to do the whole entire time. Boredom. I'm going to message you both. Except, the only thing I could do was Sudoku. And I am a freak with these things. I'm so good at them. I love them. They're like my word.
Shall we get a cruncher session in real quick?
Like
Why don't we
puzzles.
grab a couple boards and just get loose? Just feel what it feels like to flow cruncher style.
Oh, keep going. Yeah, fine.
Don't miss the episode of Jersey Shore everybody's talking about. Then on After Hours, hear what Mike and the gang have to say and get a glimpse of what's to come this season. Oh my god! It's the Jersey Shore, Thursday at 10, followed by After Hours at 11.
Think you're stuck paying high auto insurance rates because of your driving record? Then now is the time to change the game. Just go to thegeneral.com or call us for a super fast quote. All it takes is a couple of minutes. Our rates are very affordable, and right now our monthly payment is as low as $39.
Sorry about that. So, anyway, Sudoku was the only entertainment for me, and I love these, but what's it called? I ran into a problem after about 6 of them. There was this local Sudoku. You can see that. I don't know what the fuck. How the fuck you make that? And even worse was one of these Sudokus. I don't know how the fuck he did that. And then symbol Sudoku. Again, how the fuck did he do it? But anyway, so I've done like 30 of these since yesterday because the power was out, but finally the power came back today. Well, the power wasn't out. Only the cable was out and the phone and the internet. So I was basically stranded in my house because it was too windy to go anywhere. So I really hope all of you are safe that got hit by the hurricane here in New York. The part I live in did get hit too badly. There was basically nothing, just a bunch of wind that made it feel like fall, and a bunch of rain, and thanks to the hurricane there's like this thing in my dining room, and now my dad has to fix that, and there's like he took out tiles, so now it looks like there's a backwards L, and he has to take out like this weird chandelier thing we have. It's the lighting, so he doesn't know what to do with it. So thanks for watching, and there should be a thing somewhere around here. It's like here or here. It says subscribe. You should probably subscribe and comment on this video. Tell me what you did during the hurricane. Did you get a power outage or something? Tell your friends about this channel. Tell your enemies about this channel. Thank you. Bye.